Good afternoon, everyone. This is Daily Trading Analysis with a quick market update for today, 20th of February. Today, it's another day of uncertainty. We got some earnings that were pretty decent, but overall, the sentiment is not totally driven by these earnings. It's totally driven, however, but by the tariffs, by market data, and also leading index being in the negative. So Walmart reported earnings beat expectations, exceeded estimates, but the outlook and expectations for the guidance were not enough for Wall Street. And Walmart is right now really driving the sentiment down. Also, in terms of initial jobless claims and continued jobless claims, pretty negative. Higher jobless claims signal a potential softening. And also, look at this, the leading index 0.3, further in decline, the economic slowdown. So basically, this economic data is not good, but also what is not good is that the Fed, some of them are reporting some statements. Fed officials Bostic and Musalem remain cautious about inflation, signaling the need for a patient approach for policy changes. And Goolsbee acknowledged that before these new uncertainties, the path to the 2% looked good. But now it's day after day, we are getting more pretty bad news. So, in terms of global and geopolitical news, we are pretty driving sentiment down, and I think investors are slowly but surely having some kind of this kind of distribution pattern up here and now this candle down. It's pretty important. We broke this pivot on the 1 hour time frame, and I'm watching how we are going to develop in the upcoming days. More probably tomorrow, Friday, with the consumer expectations, the 5 year and the 1 year inflation expectations. Because the consumer, it's what is needed to really bring a little bit up sentiment. Right now, we got a pretty bad drop of more than 1% down. We are trying to reclaim a little bit of of terrain, but as you can see, if we change to the golden pocket Fibonacci retracement, we can see that there's certainly a possibility for a bounce, and then this zone, the sellers commit again. I'm certainly watching this, and I'm waiting for this market to catch this kind of low below 22,000. 22,000 is right here again, buyers at this zone, but I think all these all these levels are going to be reclaimed, because as you can see, this is the 1 hour, we have this kind of, and right now that we try to go higher, we stopped there quite super, very near to all-time highs, and now we are having this kind of candle. So I'm expecting some kind of chop up here. Let's see where the buyers recommit. I'm waiting for this daily volume imbalance to be really tapped there and see there's step in. We have also this please daily free value gap that may provide some kind of let me check, some kind of support. Certainly we had some buyers around there. It's at 21,956, so pretty near to this level, psychological level. So let's see how these 1 hour candles develop, and tomorrow we'll have some more information to see how the market continues. I'm certainly waiting, expecting some more downside, but we have to really be patient. The dollar, it's in the red. Yields are a little bit in the red, but look at this. In the last week, we got all yields, the the December and the October ones are really pushing higher because the Fed is basically not cutting rates anymore. At least at some point, was priced in maybe two, but right now it's not even one. So the RSP is signaling just neutral activity, and we got some of the banks pretty in the red. You can see S&Ps, it's certainly bringing some downside in the volume. We have this volume going down. We have the advanced liners here also. Yesterday and today we had some kind of volume and decliners there. So certainly there's inactivity. How strong it is, let's see what happens. Tomorrow is Friday. We got big news. So just have to wait and see. This environment is crucial to patients and for information because with one tweet, with one news, with one data, the market sentiment can turn around the blink of an eye. So that's all from my side. As always, thank you for your time. If you found this video useful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel. I try to upload these kind of videos more frequently for market forecast, market updates, and market recap. But what is certainly certain is that on Saturday, I'm going to review the entire week with a weekly recap. So if you are waiting for a nice summary, just tune in because those videos are pretty well welcomed and I put a lot of effort on them. So, but today is just another day of a pretty big, decent red day. Let's see how it ends up. But what is true is that we need more information. This channel, we try to encourage patience, discipline, and risk management. Stay safe, everyone, and see